Hello, I'm Chris with Simply NUC, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade or install RAM on your brand new Scorpion Canyon, or NUC 14 Performance as it's also known. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is RAM and a screwdriver. Also note that I'm wearing an anti-static smock and wrist strap because you always want to be ESD safe when working with open circuitry. So the first thing you want to do is open up the unit. When you look, there's a latch on the back here. You just slide that over and that slides the top right off. We're going to set that to the side, and then there's just one screw. So we're going to unscrew that. It should be very easy to unscrew, and it'll just kind of be held in there. And then once that's off, you slide the whole back plate off with all your I/O there. So now that we have the unit open, you have your DIMM slots right here. Take the RAM, you just want to line it up, make sure that the notch is lined up, and it should just slide right in. You click it into place like that, and you're going to do the same thing with the top one. Line it up, click it into place. Once you have those in, all you need to do, slide this back on, like that, and screw the screw back in. Doesn't take a lot to screw it in. You don't want to over tighten it. Then put the top back on just like that. Now each DIMM slot can handle up to 48 gigabytes of RAM for a total of 96 gigabytes of memory possible in the Scorpion Canyon. And that's how you upgrade or install RAM in a Scorpion Canyon or NUC 14 Performance. Thank you.